everybody, welcome to Hobby House Creations. Today we're in the shop, outside in the garage. It is a balmy 22 degrees. It's a heat wave compared to 2 days ago. So today we're going to try out the Bauer Planer and unbox my new table saw. Let's get to it. Let's try it out on the fence picket. Let's try it out on the fence picket. I'm going to set this. So this is the setting I put it at. Right here. Dial it. All right, here we go. We'll give it a try. Okay, this is where it hasn't been touched. Right here, it's actually pretty smooth. I only feel just a little bit of splinters, but probably just a little dust. So I'm going to turn this up a notch. I'll put it at 1/64 is this next setting. And we'll give that a go. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna sit. Hey everybody, it's me, Nicole, Hobby House Creations. First time I tried to make this video, it did not go very well, so here's take two. Let's do it. Okay, we're out here in the tiny one stall shop. We got the Bauer Planer from Harbor Freight. Got it out of the box. I'm not using the dust collection on it because I want to make a mess. You got the instructions here. So this is your depth adjustment to how deep you want to plane. A dust bag that goes over here. It has a kickstand back here underneath. And this will just go down when you're moving forward. There's a instruction booklet. Always good to read the instructions when it's a new item and you don't know what you're doing. Like me. I have no clue what I'm doing. So we'll set that aside. I got this ugly 2x4. We'll see if we can't make it look good. Alright, we're all set to go. Let's kick some dust up. I think I found something up. Let me take this fence off. Always, always take the battery off of your power tool when you need to work on it. I'm going to adjust this up just a bit. Start again. So this is pretty smooth. This is after I adjusted it, so I've got a groove here. That's okay. But I did not see this. That could have been bad. I did not check this board before I picked it up. This is pretty smooth. Yeah, there's a staple there. That was probably part of my issue. I did not see those. I didn't look. I just grabbed. Don't do that. Always check. But we all learn from our mistakes. And make sure we don't do the same mistake again. Well, that's all for now, guys. This is going to get cleaned up, and I'll be making a push stick with it. A new table saw. That's another video coming up. You guys stay tuned. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine while it's out. Be awesome.